Alright, y'all. This is a Chevy Cruze. It's a little on the rough side, but come in, no power, not wanting to run right. And here it is. Converter comes back. I tried to tell the boss man the converter was clogged. Stopped up. No wonder it didn't have no power. That might be part of the front converter. Looks like a piston to me. Needs some platinum. So, whack whack. I don't know who welded that, but I need them to teach me how to weld. Because whoever welded it did a damn good job. Damn good weld. Put it together here, weld it. I gotta weld a piece for the hanger on it. Be good to go. Old Harbor Freighter. Cadillac DTS.